I already knew this customer had a drop handle. I didn't remember which one he had, but I knew he was having a drop handle. So here's the actual drop handle. Kwikset makes it. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple different ways of actually doing it. Because with this handle there are some options as well that you get to do. So, like I've said before, I always try to do the top. I always do the deadbolt first. This plate here goes on the outside. All right, nice, pretty. Make sure you put this keeper in there. Okay, that keeper is designed for added strength to help prevent kick-ins and things of that sort. Unfortunately, this does not have the inside keeper protector. Technically doesn't need it, but it's always nice to have. So on this particular one, it's going to, the screws that go on the inside are going to be really long screws, kind of a smaller tip, smaller head. I got talking to a guy last night, a good friend of mine, counterpart of mine. But just kind of suck it up, and you can make your adjustments, make it even. He sent me a present. I'm gonna call him because I know he's gonna watch this later. He sent me a present to assist me in my videos. And he thinks my phone sits on the floor. He said my phone sits on the floor back of my truck, things like that. And hey, whoever's watching, thank you. So he thought I had all my stuff laying on the ground, laying in the back of my truck or whatever. I was telling him, I said, the funny thing is, a lot of people don't realize what my phone's sitting on. The video I did yesterday, it was actually sitting on top of a water hose reel. Right now I have it sitting on top of the actual box itself that these handles came in, and I took the other part and made me a little ledge for my phone. I ran off. I left my house rather late. I left about 6 o'clock this morning to get out here to leave San Antonio to come out here to Houston, and I ran off and forgot my present from them, so I didn't get to use it today. But I do appreciate it, and it will definitely come in handy. I've been really good today, and so. Get back to the handle. All right, so on your handle, you can see this is right here is actually what actuates the keeper itself. Okay, it's actually what actuates that. I don't know if you can tell, but it actually is it's like a D part here. Hey, Pastor Stark, how you doing? So I hear this about it taking it back to the store because it doesn't work. Sure, you got to do this. All right, so. To take this, you do not take these screws out, okay? You literally, and it's going to blow y'all's mind, you pull it and turn it, and that's all you do. So there is up in the top corner, I don't know if you can actually see, but there's a L and an R in the upper corner, and that's literally for left hand or right hand. So that's literally, you just pull it and turn it. I get new installers when I'm training them. I'll make sure I get them on them, and it jacks them up every time. So, all right. So, like I said, there's your drop. Now, this handle is really going to be really easy to do. It already has a hole drilled out in the bottom. There is a galvanized screw. Get in the hole. There's a galvanized screw that comes along with it. All right. Obviously, galvanized is non-magnetic. So, but it's going to be a bigger, more of attractive, I guess, screw than others. You can drill this straight in here, right? Now, that's usually what I do on these, just because I don't want to take the time to bore the hole all the way through. So on these, if you wanted to go ahead and bore the hole all the way through, what's going to happen is you're going to have this dowel keeper on the back side, okay? So this will actually go on this back side of this door here. Yeah, I just dropped that. So it's going to go on the back side of this door here, right? And you're going to have a polka dot on it. But if you see, I actually did this triple door back behind me years ago. I didn't do it on that, so I'm not going to do it on this one. I will be doing a video on that later at some other point on how to bore it through. But I'm going to kind of give you guys a rundown. Once you put it up here, mark your sides. I don't use the template that comes with the packet. I don't use them. I just kind of mark the both sides and mark center. And you take a 3/16 paddle bit, and that's what I use to put that on with. When you bore it, when you actually start drilling through, don't go all the way through. Just go enough just to actually catch the other side. If you go all the way through, you're going to blow the other side of it out. Especially, like I said, if you're a hunter, got a stoker, you understand what I'm talking about. It's going to penetrate all the way through, and you're going to have a mushroom on the other side, and you're not going to be able to fix it. And you don't have enough to cover. So when you drill through the door, just do enough just to penetrate the hole on the other side. Flip your handle around to the other side, and then drill all the way through. And then that's all you got to do. Another thing I see a lot of people do, especially my new installers when they come across. Here's my buddy. I just saw you pop in, Dan. So what I see a lot of people do is when these screw handles are put on with hardware in the box, and they use those, and they try to use that hardware instead of using the hardware that comes in the back. I'm not saying you can't do that. It's not ideal because the strength values of the hardware that comes in the bags based off the strength value that is in the hardware that actually holds the handle in the box are completely different. So not the smartest idea to do. And then it kind of confuses you as well because you don't have, you're trying to make something work instead of actually using what's given to you. So, like I said before, I actually still do it old school way. On door handles, I do not use a drill to put the handles in for the simple fact you can strip them out. So, painters do not like coming back behind me because this door is primed. It's not painted. So painters don't like coming back and taking off a handle. A real painter will take off handles. So they don't like taking the handles off that are stripped out. So for obvious reasons. So let me get this on here. All right, so I kind of did this on purpose. See how hard? See that's tight? It's not retracting out. So the handle itself is too tight. So to loosen that up, you just kind of loosen the screws up a little bit. Just kind of loosen everything up, and you can see where it flings out. Okay? And yes, I did that on purpose. See? All right, so on the bottom, like I said, you have this galvanized steel bolt to go through. I don't know if you can actually see, but you want to straighten up your handle. Use your pilot bit. This is a metal door, so definitely run you a pilot hole in there. Ooh. Owie. Ow, that hurt. And that's it. That's all it is, guys. So, like I said, if you're going to drill through the hole, if you're going to drill all the way through, use a 3/8 paddle bit is your standard size to get those through. Don't drill all the way through. If you drill all the way through, you're going to mushroom the backside of it out. Other than that, make sure everything works. On your deadbolt, make sure that where it says up on the inside is on the up side, because if it's down, when you go to flip that handle, you're going to actually flip it the other way. and then the lock where it says lock on top will bed down at the bottom, and you just kind of look like a moron. So make sure it's at the top. So other than that, guys, I have to go to the store because I forgot to, I got busy on the phone on my way here, and I forgot to swing by and get the outside trim. The inside trim was already here. I knew it was already here, but I did forget to get the treated 1x4s for the outside of this door. So the inside is going to get treated out with cedar, just like I said, just like the door right behind me. So I did that long time ago. So that door, here, let me flip this around. I did that door and a bunch of other ones. I did this guy's front door. I did 2 for his back. I did all those windows, or one of my contractors did. And then that door, and then I did another door in the back. So real good customer of mine, real good kid. I say kid, he's a lot younger than I am, but real good guy. And like I said, he's been good to me over the years. So now that I can secure this place up, I'm gonna run up to the store real quick and might try to give me something to eat in the process. So on that, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and get these videos out. I am definitely trying my hardest to get substantial videos and to get all that stuff up and going again. So life is very, very crazy, but we are definitely a lot of good things are happening for Hot Shot and for future endeavors. So like I said, if you please pray for us and keep us in y'all's prayers, because like I said, things are moving very fast, and we are having some very good situations arise. So please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Like I said, I want to get that built up, get that up to where it should be, because like I said, right now it's not where it should be. So whatever's on my videos, my Facebook will also be uploaded. They interconnect with my YouTube, and then there's other avenues to watch these videos as well. Instagram and all that kind of stuff is coming as well. It probably already is. I'm just not that into it. So other than that, guys, y'all be good. I'm trying to see what else I need. Yeah, just the outside trim. Thank y'all for watching, and if I come up with something else, then I will be back. Talk to y'all later. Bye.